What's good, YouTube? It's your boy BG Tech Life, and today I'm making a video I wanted to make. I've seen a lot of talk and I've seen a lot of different speculation and things about this Pixel 7a, and I got a Pixel 6a right here that I was using previously. First and foremost, guys, when we talk about these devices and things of that nature, we have to be able to put ourselves in different mindsets. So when it comes to the Pixel 7a, today I just want to talk about, is it worth the upgrade compared to the Pixel 6a? I just want to talk to my A series people. I don't want to talk to no tech reviews. I don't want to talk to no people that's doing the S23 Ultra or that's got iPhone 14 Pro Max and want to have this conversation about features and things of that nature. I just want to talk to people that primarily use A series devices. And when it comes to that, yes, the Pixel 7a did come out $50 more expensive than the Pixel 6a, but it's definitely worth it, guys. It came with some luxuries for A series users. Now I'm only talking to A series users. Of course, we got a better front-facing camera that can record 4K, so that's a plus for my A series users. Also, we have 90 hertz. Now this screen comes set at 60 hertz, but you can move it to 90 hertz, and it's a little bit more fluid than the Pixel 6a. So yes, that's an upgrade. Also, guys, the battery life is just, and the thermals are a little bit better. They're not, they're not perfect or anything, but they are better than the original Tensor when it comes to the Tensor G2. There's a difference between Tensor and Tensor G2. So you're getting a little bit more of a powerful device, a device that'll last longer, do a little better, and struggle a little less when it comes to being put to work. Will this device get a little warm? Yes, it will do that. Is this device the perfect performer for every task? No, it's not, but it is better than its predecessor. So with that being said, compared to the Pixel 6a, if I had a Pixel 6a or Pixel 5a, and that's my form factor, I like the 6.1 inch display. I like this size of device. I don't want to move to anything different. I don't want a flagship. I'm an A series guy. To pick up a Pixel 6a, you're gonna get some luxuries that you didn't have in previous years, and of course, yes, it will be a good upgrade. Now, when you go to upgrade, I would not immediately buy this device off the break. When you see it out at $449, wait, already off the break, we see it's $50 off. You get a $50 gift card. Maybe give it a couple more months. You might see something for sale, used market, cheaper, or they just gonna go on sale. Eventually, this device that came out at $499 will be $399. That's just how Google does. The Pixel 6a came out at $449. Now you can pick it up for $299. So yes, the phone actually offers in this compact spec, because this what this is, the A series, the affordable series. Yes, it's almost the size of the Pixel 7 and all that, but this is the most compact Pixel. And for my A series people, yes, this is a decent little upgrade. You can get a performing budget device. This is kind of like a flagship budget. So I just wanted to speak on this because there's a lot of talk in the air as far as just it compared to all these devices that's above it. I just want to, right now I'm just speaking on coming from the predecessor of this device. Yes, for $50, Google did pack a lot of little stuff in here. The G2, the 90 hertz, a better front-facing camera, 64 megabit camera on the rear. So they definitely packed some stuff in here for y'all to have some fun with and spend $400 or $400, I would say. I tell y'all to wait till it's down to $400 and go ahead and pick it up. But yeah, this your boy BG Tech Life. Thanks for watching. If you're not subscribed, get subscribed. And if you're not following me on Instagram and Twitter, BG_Tech Life, go ahead and give me a follow. It's your boy BG. I'm out. Peace.